Hi everybody, my name is Tina and I've been at Surfaces Flooring for about 15 years. I've made it my business to explore and research the latest in flooring trends. Today I would like to talk to you about luxury vinyl plank. Don't let the name fool you, this ain't your grandma's sheet vinyl. The introduction of acrylics into the mix really revolutionized the vinyl market, giving us a more resilient, dimensionally stable floor. Less shrinkage, less flexibility really opened it up for greater application. LVP is graded by the mill wear layer, which is the surface you walk on. That's the part that takes the heaviest beating. In your search for flooring, you will see 4, 6, 8, 12, 20, 22, 30, and 40 mill wear layers. We do not recommend anything less than a 12 mil wear layer, as we really want your floors to last you more than just a couple of years. We rarely recommend over a 22 mil wear layer, as that puts you in a very high traffic commercial specification. And for most of us, that's just overkill. A 12 mil wear layer is great for a couple of people, maybe a small pet or two, where a 20 mil wear layer is for many people, kids, big dogs, a house with a lot of activity. Now that's not to say that these floors are stupid human proof. If you're dragging something across the floor and in your mind you think, maybe I shouldn't do this, you really should probably rethink what you are about to do. We do recommend the use of self-adhesive felt pads under all furniture. These are to protect both the floors and your furniture. We also recommend changing out the wheels on all office or dining room chairs to a wider rubber wheel. These types of wheels are easily found online and at office supply stores. Those plastic wheels that came on the chair can easily eat through the toughest floors. There are several types of LVPs on the market today. Plain vinyl, SPC, and WPC are really the ones you hear about the most. We typically recommend any of those types of floors, but we really focus on the rigid core product. A more rigid floor has the ability to hide the sins of the subfloor, meaning wood subfloors and questionable concrete floors need less prep work for installation, as the imperfections will not photograph through that top layer. These floors can also be installed over most existing tiles, alleviating the mess and cost of tile removal. Almost all the newer lines of LVPs have an attached pad, eliminating the need also for the additional cost of underlayment. These backings are usually a rubberized material or good old cork. Both cover the antimicrobial aspects and sound transmission very well. We've also seen a big focus on products being embossed in register, which means the visual of the photograph closely matches the graining patterns of the wear layer. These create gorgeous, realistic looking wood textures that are really hard to tell from an actual wood floor. The last thing I'd like to talk about are the claims of waterproof to water resistant. Yes, these floors are waterproof for topical spills. However, should you get a clean water leak, like your ice maker line or a dishwasher line that runs under the floor, you still would need to have that existing floor pulled up, let everything dry out, and then we can install the same floor again. There may be some labor charges on something like this, but you will not be paying for the actual floor material again. Without pulling up the floors, you run the risk of growing mold and mildew under your floor. As the price points between 12 mil and 20 mil are very narrow, most of our customers find it's more about color and style once it's determined which mill wear layer best suits your needs. I know I have just given you a lot of information. Don't worry, we are here to help you with this process. You come into our showroom and talk to either Chris or myself to find the right floor for your lifestyle.